It's our friend's birthday, so we're gonna do a little surprise birthday cake episode for our pal Brian. You remember Brian from the photos? Weird looking dude. He's the guy with the fro and the stash. We're gonna make sort of a rainbow birthday cake. It's kind of more of a birthday cake you would make for a 4-year-old. Instead, we're making it for our 65-year-old pal. 1 cup of butter in to the pot. And then we're gonna add 1 cup of sugar. This butter's been sitting out for a couple hours, so it's a bit warm. Let's see if this fucking works. Low speed. Come on, little gal. This thing's from 1894, I believe. Is it supposed to be like that? Just eat that. Just eat the butter and sugar. Fuck the cake. The cake's too hard to make. We're making a cake from scratch here, motherfuckers. So we're gonna add 3 eggs. We're gonna do it 1 at a time. In goes the first egg. In it goes. This goes there. And this goes here. Yep. And yep. Now we're gonna add a little flavor. We've got a little vanilla here, vanilla extract. This is the correct way to open a vanilla extract. Dip and dip. Banana extract, 1 teaspoon. What the fuck, there's nothing even in here. Shit, you know what? I think I know what to do. Still the same. Oh. 1 teaspoon. One teaspoon of baking powder. Try to get these measurements sort of correct. It's important whilst baking to get the measurements fairly correct. We like Robin Hood flour. We're gonna put it through a sifter. Sift it through. Sift it through now. And sift it through. And we're just gonna kind of fold this stuff in. So we're gonna add a little milk, thin this out a tiny bit. Just maybe like a tablespoon or 2. Ladies and gentlemen, it's cake from scratch. It's easier than you think. Bit of butter, bit of flour, bit of eggs, a couple other things, you got yourself a fucking cake. Your children will love it, your grandpa will love it, your friends will love it. Or will they? That's it. Now we're gonna butter up some pans, load it in, and get it into the oven. Oven's at 350. That would be 350. Get her everywhere. This will be helpful when you're trying to get the fucking thing out of here. It's like an elf. It's like a garden gnome. But what it really is red dye. See friends, we're making a rainbow birthday cake. So each layer is going to be a different color. It's going to be fucking spectacular when you cut into it. Just put a few drops in there. Start stirring it around. Look at this. Just eyeball it until it's a very beautiful red. Shake her around a little bit, tap her down. and shake her around and tap her down. There's our red layer right there. Green. That's look at that. That is not the worst thing I've ever seen. I can bake a cake, motherfucker, bake a cake! Complete fucking failures. Much like a hockey puck. Gone wrong. These ones look pretty good though. 35 minutes at 350. So we're gonna make 2 more layers. So we're gonna do this whole thing once again. Now we make the icing. Butter, cream cheese, icing sugar, a little vanilla, that's about it. Lighter in, and lighter in. It's about a half a cup of butter, I guess. Cream cheese. We're gonna put 2 packs in. I like a cream cheesy icing. Looks pretty good. This is a cup of icing sugar. Almost a teaspoon of vanilla. Now we ice the great beast. A little icing in the middle of each layer. So I'm going to put it in the fridge for a few minutes, and we're going to save a little bit of the icing and then re-ice it.
Just gorgeous.
That's overtime. Happy birthday. That's your rainbow-colored birthday cake, friends.